this video, I'm going to show you how important it is to set up a list builder for your business. Very simple to do, and what I use is list leverage, because list leverage, it makes your work so much easier. It really does. You can get, it turns literally one list into several thousand, all on autopilot if you follow the system. Very easy to do. To set your system up is to go to list leverage. The link will be beneath this video. And once you're inside it, this is the dashboard area, as you can see, and it will give you, this is the dashboard area. It tells you what you do, and all you need to do is literally go to your fast start. And once you're on your fast start, it will tell you how to build your list. Now, it's very simple to do. All you have to do is so you follow step 1, which is to connect your autoresponder to SendSharp. That will take you to there, to step 2. Then you need to go to make sure that you get high ticket commissions, which are the best way of earning money online without any doubt at all. That takes you to complete traffic authority. And then the third step here is to go to step 3, and that's to get all your multiple income streams absolutely aligned. But that's how you get started with list leverage, and it's a very simple thing to do. All the links will be beneath this video, and this will be the first in the series of walkthroughs for you, so that you can take advantage of how this is done. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you get notified of every video that's uploaded, and also hit the bell as well. The bell's important, because if you don't hit the bell, you don't get notified of every video that gets uploaded to this channel. Thanks very much for watching. My name is Dave Hayes.